Hey everybody! Welcome back to DeAnn Creates, your online destination for celebration crafts, Cricut crafts, and whatever crafts I'm inspired to make. What are we creating today? Layered cake toppers. So let's get into it. Open your Cricut Design Space app. I'm making a custom cake topper for a 60th birthday party, so I'm going to make a 60 years loved cake topper. Click on the text box and type in the number 60. The font that I used for the number was Cricut Sans. Drag the number until it's about 2.7 inches tall. Right-click the number and click Ungroup so that you can slide the numbers closer together. Select both the 6 and the 0, right-click and select the word group to sync them back together again. Change the color of the number to pink. Now type the word years. The font that I used was this word right here. This font was downloaded on defont.com. I've used it in several of my videos. It's the same font that I use for the tumbler cup and for some of the masks that I made. This font is also free to use for personal use, but if you're going to sell something with this font, then you have to get permission from the author first. Click and drag to make the words smaller. Change the color of the word years to the same pink as the number 60. Move the word years closer to the number 60 and line the top of the word with the top of the 60. Right-click the word years and click Weld so that Cricut will cut the word out in one piece instead of 5 separate letters. Click Text again and type in the word loved. Position the words close together however you would like. Line the bottom of the word loved with the bottom of the 60. And you can play with the spacing and the sizing until it looks the way you want it to. Change the color of the word to the same pink. Right-click the word and select the word weld. Now that the words are positioned the way you want them, select all 3 and click offset. I like my offset to be about 0.12. Click apply. Change the offset color to white. Now let's move all of the pink words to the side and click on the white layer. Click on offset again to make the 3rd layer and hit apply. And you can change the 3rd layer to blue. Move the pink words back on top where they belong. I don't want these holes in the blue layer between the words years and loved. So I'm going to select the blue layer and click on the word contour in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now select the spaces that you want to erase and close the box. Me personally, I want to make 2 cake toppers, so I copied the entire thing and then I changed the font color of the second one to yellow or gold. Click on the Make It button. My white cardstock is 8.5 by 11, so I clicked on material size to change it. Put the white cardstock on your Cricut mat and feed it into the machine. Change the dial to cardstock. Press the load unload button and the go button and let the Cricut machine do its thing. Weed the paper off the mat and throw away all of the unnecessary scraps. The next 2 papers that I'm going to be using is 12 by 12 glitter cardstock paper. So make sure that the material size is correct. Go over to your Cricut machine and set the dial to custom. Then go back to your computer. The custom window should pop up. Choose glitter cardstock under the cardstock options, then select done. Put the pink glitter cardstock into the machine and press the load unload button and then the go button. Repeat the same steps with the gold glitter cardstock paper. The blue paper that I'm using is 12 by 12 plain cardstock paper. So go to the computer and change the material size. Then go back to your machine and change the dial to cardstock. Then press go again and weed the paper from your mat. Now let's put these cake toppers together. Use a hot glue gun to glue the white cardstock to the blue cardstock. Make sure that it's centered before you push it down. For another topper idea, check out my elephant cupcake topper video right after this one. Now glue the glitter cardstock pieces to the white cardstock. I want to give a shout out to all of my subscribers. I really appreciate you all so much for helping my channel to grow. If you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button for more DIYs just like this one. Flip the topper over and put a dollop of glue in the center. Take the cookie sticks and place them in the center of the glue. Make sure that your stick is straight before it dries. Put another blob of glue on top of the cookie stick and allow the glue to cool. If the cake topper is too heavy, you can glue 2 sticks to the back of the topper. And there you have it, a layered cake topper that is adorable and simple to make. Until the next time, I hope that you continue to add a little more creativity to the world and keep coming back because you never know what I'll be creating next. Bye guys!